Hey everyone, you are in the right place because today I'm going to show you how to find people nearby on Telegram. So without further ado, let's get started. The People Nearby feature allowed users to find others in their vicinity and connect via Telegram. However, this feature was removed due to the several issues, primarily involving scammer and bots. So scammers, some malicious users took advantage for this feature to find and target the people for scam, leading to safety concerns. Many bots started using the People Nearby feature to spam and send unwanted message to user, reducing the app quality and security. So what this means for a user? So with the removal of this feature, user can no longer directly see Nearby Telegram user unless they are common in group or channel. And that's it. The People Nearby feature was removed to improve safety and prevent scam and bot activity. While you can no longer use this feature, you can still connect with people through groups and channel. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.